Hey, what's up guys? So today we're working on a sewer line repair. This house stopped up earlier this week, and came out and tried to get it unstopped. Couldn't find the clean out front, so we had to dig up some of the flower bed over here, and I finally found a clean out, got it unstopped, ran a camera down, and we found that this thing's got a hole in it right there. Oh yeah, check this out. As I push to it, that looks like a big old crack right there going across the top. And that may be another one.
I was just gonna say.
All right guys, get some shear bends on that. Good to go there. Also put on a atmospheric plug on the clean out, so good to go there. Hopefully next time they won't back up in the house, if they ever do. All ready.